Well, we're gonna start off with buffalo chicken pizza.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, I feel like every time I come here, I make something buffalo, but I'm obsessed with buffalo
So
sauce.
am I. So is America.
So I melted a stick of butter, and that's a half cup of butter, and I'm gonna add to it about a half a cup of hot sauce, your favorite hot sauce.
I like Frank's Red Hot
Just
for
let this
this.
melt together. Rachel,
Yeah.
you got a whisk I can borrow?
Sure, baby.
There we
There
go.
you go.
Thank you. So just whisk this up, and it's that easy to make your own wing sauce. You can totally buy it if you
could
want.
throw some garlic in there.
Totally
It
put in
wouldn't
some
hurt.
garlic.
Yeah.
You can put in a little vinegar if you like. You know, you can just kind of doctor it up to your taste. And then,
this is just a rotisserie chicken,
yeah,
right,
I love a rotisserie chicken. Makes life so easy. So you just shred it up and then toss it with your sauce. And this is a great thing to do ahead of time. If you're cooking for a crowd, you know, you can do this part first.
Gotcha.
And then you've got your pizza dough, you can make it, you can go to your local pizza parlor
Or store
and
bought,
buy
right?
it, grocery store. So top it right on there, put the
Did you put any? Oh, you put a little cornmeal underneath.
Put quite a
yep.
bit of cornmeal underneath, yeah. So if you put the cornmeal right on here, it'll help it slip off. I've got a pizza stone heating in the oven, 500 degrees. You want to put that stone in there for at least an hour so that it gets really hot and will mimic a pizza parlor.
Yeah,
So
it'll have a nice crispy
we want
crust
that
on the bottom.
crispy crust, yes. And I also like to do this on the grill too, if you've got a grill
Oh,
pan.
I love grilled pizza. 'cause
Yeah.
It's a little smoky.
Exactly.
It's delicious.
Yeah, and you know, even when it's kind of colder weather, you can go out and heat up your grill, or you can use your grill pan.
No, John loves it. He's
Yeah.
outside in the all weather.
Yeah.
And he's obsessed with the smoker too, the big
Is
green
he?
egg. Yeah, he
Oh,
has
I
one of those
love
big
the
green
big
eggs.
green egg.
Yeah.
All right, top it with some mozzarella cheese, and then I'm gonna top it with a little bit of shredded cheddar.
'Cause you want it
keep
to
with
be
our
orange.
theme. And you know, buffalo sauce, it goes with any kind of cheese. So I like a lot of cheese. I'm just throwing it all on there. All right. So now it's the moment of truth when I
Slide
go
it into the oven?
to put it in the oven.
The upper one or lower one?
Lower. So you just slide this right onto the pizza stone. When I'm at home, I get nervous to do this. When I'm on television with Rachel, I'm even more nervous
Good
to do
luck,
this.
Katie.
All right, here we go. There we go. It went right on. Woo. All right, that just needs about 5 to 7 minutes. It happens. All right.
Katie, we garnish this with
So black olives to look
well,
like
ask
a
one of your
basketball.
friends that knows what a basketball looks like to draw the black olive lines on the pizza.
And then we'll put a little bit of blue cheese on it.
And then it gets blue cheese and some
celery
chives.
leaves. I love
and
the
some celery
leaves.
tops.
Yeah, don't throw these out. They've got a lot of
No,
flavor
I love
in it.
celery leaves.
I put them in salads,
Absolutely.
as garnishes. All right, there you go.
So that's what this pizza is supposed to look like.
Not like